Hello students, welcome back to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in the today's class I will explain few more examples on composite functions. After that I will start with the NCERT textbook exercise 5.2. So here question number 1596. See, it is in the form of what? It is in the form of root. Differentiate with respect to x. First we have to differentiate the root. 1 upon 2 root 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. Close that root. What is remaining? 1 plus x upon 1 minus x is remaining or what? And here, see, under root we have a fraction, that too present in the denominator. If a fraction is present in the denominator, see, for example, 1 upon 2 by 3. Can we write this as 3 by 2 or what? And one more thing, if it is x by y, you can write root x upon root y, correct or what? Like that. So here this will be written as root of 1 minus x. This goes up 2 into root of 1 plus x in the bracket. This is u by v method. 1 minus x into differentiation of 1 plus x, middle minus 1 plus x into differentiation of 1 minus x whole divided by 1 minus x whole square. Correct or what? Next. Don't mix this. Just I will explain that how to apply. Then root of 1 minus x upon 2 root 1 plus x. This is before differentiation, keep as it is. What is the differentiation of 1 plus x? Is it 1 or what? Next, minus. This is before differentiation, and differentiation of 1 minus x is minus 1. In the previous it is 1, that's why I am not writing. 1 is different and minus 1 is different. So I wrote here minus 1 because it is minus x. Next. Root of 1 minus x upon 2 root 1 plus x in the bracket. Here 1 minus x as it is, and this is multiplied with this, it becomes plus 1 minus x whole square. Minus x plus x get cancels, and one more, see students, one more simplification. This is root of 1 minus x, this is 1 minus x whole square. That base terms are similar, and you have to remember this. A raised to m upon a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. If m is greater than 1 n, or it is written as if denominator is bigger. Now here the denominator is bigger. 1 plus 1 is 2, and it is 1 minus x. This power is 2 and this power is half. It comes down. 2 and 2 get cancels. 1 upon root of 1 plus x. That what is 2 minus 1 by 2? Is it 3 by 2 or what? Yes. This is 3 by 2. Is it simple or what? Yes. The problems are very simple if you know the concepts. Moving to the next question. Question number 197. Y is equal to e raised to cos x log x square plus x plus 1. Yes, this is u, this is v. Yes, you identified or what? Is it possible to identify which formula is applicable? Differentiating with respect to x, e raised to cos x into differentiation of log x square plus x plus 1, and middle plus, because in u into v middle plus comes. raised to cos x as it is differentiation of log is differentiation of e raised to cos x is e raised to cos x into differentiation of cos x. Here in the bracket I wrote differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of x is 1 upon plus log of x square plus x plus 1 e raised to cos x as it is differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Now if you want you can take e raised to cos x common. Plus into minus is minus. Okay, this is how we are solving. Moving to the next question. Question number 198. Y is equal to yes. First it is look like under root. First I am differentiating the root. After root, the term without root I am writing. Without root is in the form of u by v. Already as I explained, this is the fraction that is present in the denominator. So we can write apply u by v method. Middle minus this is root of before differentiation, then differentiation of a square is 0, differentiation of minus x square is minus 2x minus a square minus x square, this is 2x. And as like previous, this and these terms are same. This term I took in the denominator. This power root is written as half. When it comes in the denominator, it becomes minus half. And here, just I remove the bracket. Minus 2a square x minus 2x cube, and this is minus and 2x both I took at the same time. This minus and this minus becomes plus. In the denominator, already I explained that point. Minus 2x cube plus 2x cube get cancelled. Minus 2a square x minus 2a square x is minus 4a square x. This is 3 by 2. So term get cancels. This is the final answer. 199. See, if y is equal to root of 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x, show that dy upon dx is 1 by 2 secant square x by 2. Okay, students, just think about this. I will rub the remaining sum. Think and solve. If possible, try to solve that. And the question itself gives you the hint. See in the question, y is equal to root of 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Show that this is the question. Like previous, first you can differentiate the root, then inside term by applying u by v method. Correct? Or if you see the answer, here it is a half angles, multiples and submultiple. Are you familiar with the formula 1 minus cos x and 1 plus cos x? Yes. Before differentiation, I am applying that formula. What is 1 minus cos x? 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 and 2 get cancels. Sin square by cos square is tan square x by 2. Square root of tan square is tan. Now differentiate this. Differentiation of tan is secant square x by 2 into differentiation of x by 2. See, x by 2 will be written as what? 1 by 2 into x, correct or what? 1 by 2 is a constant, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. That means finally we got the differentiation as 1 by 2. When you rearrange, you will get like this. Correct? See, that is the required answer. Otherwise, as we did in the previous examples, you can solve that method. We can apply that method, and further you have to simplify. Then only we will get the answer. Moving to the next question. Question number 200. Y is equal to root of 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x. Like previous, we cannot apply multiples and submultiple here. So I am differentiating first root. Then I am applying u by v method. plus sin x as it is. Differentiation of minus sin x is minus cos x. Like previous, only I am doing like previous steps. This term and this term are similar. I am taking that in the denominator. And in the numerator I am removing a bracket. It is minus cos x. Minus cos x into sin x. And this is minus and cos x I am taking at the same time. This 2 and this 2 get cancels. We can write one more step. So this is the final answer. Moving to the next question. Question number 201. Y is equal to here. In the answer we don't have a log, one thing, and we don't have the root. If you are familiar with the properties of log, see, before differentiation I am writing this in the simplest form. Root I am writing as a half, raised to half. And we are familiar with the property log m raised to n is n into log m. That power comes first. 1 by 2 log of a square minus x square upon a square plus x square. Now you can differentiate, or if you are familiar with again one more property, log m by n will be written as log m minus log n. So comparing to this differentiation will be simple. That's why I am writing 1 by 2 log, see 1 by 2 is outside, log a square minus x square minus log a square plus x square. Applying that basic properties. Differentiating with respect to x, dy upon dx is equal to 1 by 2. Differentiation of log is into differentiation of a square minus x square minus a square plus x square into differentiation of a square plus x square. Dy upon dx is equal to 1 by 2 I kept outside as it is, What is the differentiation of a square minus x square? Is it minus 2x or what? And here a square plus x square is 2x, but middle we have a minus. And here 1 by 2, I took 2x outside. Only 2x, remember. The sign I kept as it is. These 2 and these 2 get cancelled. Now take the LCM for bracketed terms. What is the LCM? LCM is this term into this term. This term comes here and this term goes here. X as it is. Here it comes here, minus outside. And here also we have a minus. Take minus inside. A minus B, A plus B. A square minus B square. Minus x square plus x square get cancels. A square minus A square will be minus 2A square. And outside we have a x. It is minus 2A square x. Correct or what? Minus 2A square x. And what about the denominator? A raised to 4 minus x raised to 4. That is the answer. Question number 202. Y is equal to. If y is equal to root of x log x to the base e, show that y into dy upon dx is equal to 1 plus log x. Let us call this y is equal to root of log x as equation 1. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy upon dx is 1 upon 2 root x log x into differentiation of x log x. And see, what is root of x log x? Is it y or what? And here apply u into v. And write down from equation 1. That y we wrote from equation 1. Moving to the next one, next step. This 1 by 2y I took on the left side. 2y into dy upon dx is equal to x as it is. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. This x gets cancelled. This implies 2y into dy upon dx is equal to 1 plus log x. This is the required answer. Moving to the next question. Question number 203. If y is equal to x plus root of a square plus x square raised to n, show that a square plus x square y1 square is equal to n square y square. Y1 square is nothing but dy upon dx. Y1 is nothing but dy upon dx. Let us call this as equation 1. Differentiating with respect to x. power. Then without power. In the bracket, differentiation of x is 1 plus into differentiation of, and here it is n, this dy upon dx we can write y1. Differentiation of a square is 0, differentiation of x square is 2x. This 2 and this 2 get cancels. Here n x plus root of a square plus x square raised to n minus 1 in the bracket 1 plus x upon root of a square plus x square. Please note down that. Now just take the LCM for bracket term. y1 is equal to n in the bracket x plus root of a square plus x square raised to n minus 1. When you take the LCM, and see here we have a multiplication. Root of a square plus x and this term, are they exactly same or what? Yes. Only that place values are different. So that means they are in the form of a raised to m into a raised to n. This power is n minus 1, this power is 1. So n minus 1 plus 1 and denominator is, this is y1. Then minus 1 plus 1 get cancels. y1 is equal to, this is n root of a square plus x square. Now I am writing y1 is equal to ny. This is y or what? From equation 1. Go back and see. Is it equation 1 or what? Yes. And in the answer we don't have the root. So squaring and cross multiplying. This is a square plus x square, y1 square is equal to n square, y square. So this is the required answer. Now students, take a paper and pen. So we solved so many examples on a differentiation of a composite function. Now I will start with the exercise from NCERT. So second exercise, first exercise is on continuity. Now I will start with the second exercise 5.2. I know that before me you will solve that. You are able to solve because now you are familiar with the differentiation of composite functions. So get ready.